Hello and welcome. In this short demo, we're introducing ContextCarry, a lightweight Chrome extension that fixes two of ChatGPT's biggest limitations. First, it lets you restore full context in any new chat, so you never lose your momentum. Second, it lets you export your entire conversation in clean, structured formats, including HTML, PDF, Markdown, JSON, Excel, and plain text. And best of all, it's 100% local, with zero tracking. Just context, restored. Hello everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the ContextCarry. Let's begin with the Chrome extension. Here you can easily export this chat into any of the available formats. Additionally, you can adjust the settings as per your preference. Now, we're going to export this chat into a JSON format. As you can see, the chat title and the tokens used are clearly displayed. It also shows the number of tokens used. The instructions needed to restore the context are also visible. Now, let's write the instructions. We'll walk you through exactly how this is done. Let's open this in a temporary chat. Here, I'll demonstrate how much can be done after exporting this chat. Essentially, I have the parts folder. The chat is available in a CSV format. It's also present in an HTML page, which I'll show you shortly. Now, let's take a look at the JSON format of the chat. Here, we have the chat in Excel, or CSV format. And over here, we have the HTML viewer. We can view the chat here as well. If you wish to save it offline, you can do that too. Additionally, you can change the themes to suit your preferences. You also have the option to download the content in PDF format. As you can see, the PDF format retains all the images and metadata. Now, let's see how to do this. We start with this file. We'll copy the content and paste it. This informs the system of its function. Following this, we will paste parts from the template. We will replace X with 1 and also paste another part. After pasting it together, let's see how it looks. As you can see, we have successfully rewritten it in a full fidelity yet optimized way, adhering to all the specifications mentioned in the prompts. The context has been restored effectively. We can ask it anything. For instance, we can inquire about the information it holds about us. We can paste our query here so it understands the context of what we're trying to do. After reading the prompt, it will ask us for further instructions. If desired, we can also view our chat in an HTML format. This gives us a clear track of our conversation. Our preference leans towards this approach. As you can see, the code is removed. Instead, we've opted for placeholders rather than actual folders. This decision was driven by our goal to save resources. We don't want to rewrite the code and consume unnecessary resources. Therefore, we've chosen to use placeholders, which allow us to easily reuse the code if necessary. Let's move on to. I'll show you how this works. For example, here's the text for the dashboard. It's been pre-configured in a way that's very similar to the original format. In the fidelity way, we can use this context here. If we want to use this code or any other code, we can simply copy and paste it and prompt it to do anything else. If you wish to save it as a PDF, that's possible too. If you have any queries about this, we've explained it in a file that you receive along with the code files. This file explains everything, why we did what we did and how it works. It provides a comprehensive understanding of the applied works as well. We've addressed many questions, but we're always open to answering more. Feel free to ask anything you'd like. We appreciate the time you've taken to watch this demo video. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you very much.